Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add new WooCommerce product reviews to Google Sheet. So in this video we will learn how to create an integration between the two applications, that is WooCommerce and Google Sheet. So in this automation that we will be creating using Pabbly Connect, we will learn that our trigger will be the new product review received in your WooCommerce, and our action will be the new row added about that review in Google Sheet to keep a record of all the reviews you have received. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we will learn how can you collect all the reviews that have been created in your WooCommerce store for any specific product. We will be creating this automation with the help of Pabbly. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create the automation. Click on Access Now, which will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Click on the Create Workflow button given on your right side and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as WooCommerce and Google Sheets integration. Click on Create, and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. You have trigger and action windows. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. Now before we discuss about these two trigger and action windows, make sure that you have prepared a Google Sheet with the name of the product, rating and review. You can reset these columns according to your need and then your WooCommerce store as well. Now let us understand the functioning of the trigger and action. Now the trigger is for the first application where the event will take place. That is, the review will be written by any customer in your WooCommerce store. So that is the trigger. And the action will be what is going to be performed by Pabbly Connect. That is going to be in Google Sheet, that the data will be collected over here. So let us choose our trigger application as WooCommerce. And the trigger event will be new review. So type review in the search bar. New product review is our trigger event. Connect your applications by clicking on connect, then add new connection, and then it will ask you for the consumer key, consumer secret, and the website URL as well. Now you have to follow these instructions that are given below here for your help. Go to your WordPress, go to settings, advanced option over here in the menu in settings. When you are done with the settings part, go to REST API over here, page setup. So click on REST API, which will take you to this place where you have to add keys of that specific integration. So click on add key, and then you will add the detail of the new key that you are going to create. So I'm going to write over here, customer review collection is the description of my key. Okay, the permissions are given to read and write. Generate API key, and then it will give you the consumer key and the consumer secret. Copy it from here and paste it in your workflow. The next part as well, copy it and paste in the secret section. Now website URL is given over here. Make sure that you remember that you have to take it without the ending slash. So go back to your WooCommerce store and then select your URL. Start selecting from HTTPS and go till WP3. Don't take the slash after that. Copy it that much and paste it over here. Save it, and your WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect is connected in such a way that every time a new product gets a new review, then that information of the review will be fetched over here as a response. Okay, to get the response, we have to click on save and send test request, but you have to select for the product ID as well, the name of the product for which you are going to write the review. So let us say laptop is the one. Okay, you're going to write a review for a laptop and the status says approved. So approved reviews will only be forwarded. Click on save and send test request and go back to WooCommerce. Now here you will open all the products, all products, and look for laptop. So over here, click on view. It will take you to a new page where you will see laptop as a product, and then you will have to give a review. So write a review over here. I'm going to write as, okay, this is the review I've given and I'm going to give 5 stars to it. Click on submit, and I have given a review. Okay, this is my review that is collected. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and see that I have received the response. Over here you can see it's approved and the reviewer's email ID is also given. And here you will see that this is the review that has been given. Okay, now this P and /P is given for the paragraph that will be removed further in this workflow only. So once we have received the review, and then we have received the rating also and the name of the product also. So it fulfills our need for this column. Okay, so now let us close this window and then remove these /p and p. So we are going to choose in our action application text formatter. Now text formatter is a feature that is built inside Pabbly itself. So in that you have to choose the action event as text parser, which means that you are going to remove that p at the beginning and in the end of our review. Click on connect. And here you will map the text that you need to make changes to. So here in this drop down menu, you will choose the text that you want to make changes to, because you have to insert data from the previous step. That is what we call mapping. So we have the review right over here. All right. Now after what and before what you want. So you want it after this. Okay. And before p/p and this. So you want after this part, the text, and before this part. Click on save and send test request, and then you will receive the response over here. See, this is your review without that P. So once this is done, we are good to go, and now we are supposed to choose another action application that is going to be your last action application, Google Sheets, where you will forward this information. The action event will be add new row because we have prepared the column already, and a new row will be added every time a new review arrives. Click on connect, add new connection, and sign in with your Google account. Choose your Google account and just give access by clicking on allow. Once this is done, the authorization is successful, and now you have to choose the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So the spreadsheet name is WooCommerce. Choose that one, and the sheet is one only. It will automatically be selected. See, it's done over here. There is only one sheet that we are working upon. Name of the product, rating, and review. These are the three columns that we have prepared over here. They have arrived. So in name of the product, we have to map your name from here, which is laptop. Okay. What is the rating? Again, the rating is given here from WooCommerce only 5. It's 5. But review we are not supposed to take from WooCommerce because we have formatted the text. So we will take it from the text formatter. It's done. So click on save and send test request. And here we have how many cells are updated? 3. How many columns? 3. We had 3 columns, which means that our workflow worked successfully. Let us go back to our Google Sheets and check. Have we done it? Yes. This is the name of the product. This is the rating. And this is the review that we have received about that product. So which means that every time a new review is received for the laptop, now it's only going to work for laptop because we have chosen it over here. It is not going to change. So this workflow is working for one specific product. So you can create such automations for every single product you are working upon. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.